Subscribe to this channel.
Previously on The Bartender.
Are you pregnant?
Not anymore.
You lost it.
No, Marcus. I got rid of it.
And you made this decision without speaking to me about it, Carlene?
The decision was mine to make.
You know you could have given the child to your boyfriend. And I still would have done my due diligence.
I overlooked how much of an asshole you really are.
What you dealing? Slim as for the under the dirt, you know, brother. Instead of you walk on it, you know.
Boss, don't worry. I got fix things, man. I got fix things.
Anyone them look like you do, Russia?
You still live on that? Leave it alone, brother.
But godmother, two you that try to take your life, you want me to leave it alone? Realize the spring of it is the marriage of the girl.
Mayor.
Come on, I keep wide. I realize you're not checking again.
Marcus, you know something like the Dolly House thing, right? When you send for me on a dog polish thing, you want your brother get fined? Or you want him get dashed with?
Mike, you know long me try get you the payment for some face. They not send it over yet. Mike, I know so that something you're working, brother.
Why isn't Tiffany in her room?
Because she's not home.
So she stayed out all night. And you allowed that? And where do you think you're going?
Anywhere but here. I'm 18 years old. I will not stay in this house and be dictated to by this tyrant.
Marcus! Marcus, let her go!
Harry means more to me than that control freak of a father.
So you are telling me, say, a guy where you meet online 6 months ago mean more to you than your father?
You forget all of the shit when put me and my mother through?
Hello? Uncle Marcus? I'm okay. I know where Tiffany is.
Simone, it's not what it looks like. I was just...
Did he ask you for your explanation?
Simone.
Oh! I'm not ready for you yet. Because you have some explaining for do. What you want to do here?
Well, I was just checking on my patient.
Oh. So you have a breathing problem. You have to give mouth to mouth. Oh, me never know say I come up here, so.
Simone, just so you know, I am working alongside you. Not for you.
Simone, let me explain.
Oi! You leave.
The home is at a crossroads. A new king, yes, has just taken power. In the palace, you do not have to go away. Come. Close your mouth. You look like it.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. You know, I am sick and tired of people bossing me around, using me, and then throw me out like I didn't exist.
Sweetheart, it look like say you forget say we have unfinished business. Remember, someone have a belly in front of me again, you know.
Well, we could always revisit that, can't we?
Hey, wait! How do you feel like, eh? Oh! Shit! Oh, shit! Let me help you. Move! Don't touch him.
Oh, God.
Carlton. Baby, alright? You're not gone yet?
Good night, Minister. I'm well, thanks. I might have some information for you that you might find very useful. Sure thing. Okay, sir.
I do not like to be used, neither do I like to be lied to. I trusted you to do what you said you would, and you said you wanted to talk to him. That is why I gave you the code.
I am sorry, baby,
But I only asked that man to represent me.
And you're only making it worse.
Why? I'm telling you.
George! I know who Diamond is. She's not just Speng's right hand. She's his assassin. She didn't go there just to talk to him. It's a good thing I checked those cameras before he did.
Carly, Marcus Wallace need a wake-up call. The brother I want like him untouchable, baby.
Explain wake-up call.
The brother is on fear in all I'm dealings. You overs.
But you're in business with him, George.
That's entirely because I spend. But you know, says my daughter trust fund me investing in this company. And Marcus, I play games with my money.
You are aware that what I have been doing for you is a life or death situation, right?
Marcus Wallace wouldn't dare touch you.
He put his own brother into prison because he couldn't control him. What do you think he would do to me for betraying him? He doesn't even know we are together.
You know, the evening I meet you outside my office, I really come to fix up, you know.
Yeah, I'll call for it now. Okay, thank you. Maybe you should smile a while and give your face a rest.
Was it that obvious?
Very.
Well, I'm sorry I scared you with my look.
And who told you I was scared?
You weren't. You're a brave woman.
Was I supposed to be scared? Are you here to hurt someone?
No, but actually I was here to see the minister. You know his office is.
Well, if you're here to see the minister, you'd have to speak to me. And that, my dear, would have to be during office hours.
You don't say. Well, talk to you, I definitely do. But tell me something, isn't there some place I could take you?
Why would I go anywhere with a stranger?
My bad, I'm George. You are?
Hey, George. I'm Carlene.
Well, Carlene, now that we aren't exactly strangers anymore, where can I take you?
My cab is on its way.
Come on, your cab is only 7 digits away. Call and cancel.
Hello? Can you cancel my cab, please? I'll pay the fare. Thank you.
You know, though, I really still can't believe you actually come with me now. Women normally take them chances, you know.
Woman's intuition, I guess. Or maybe I'm attracted to bad guys.
You know what, though? I am really happy you came.
I'm happy I decided to. I feel so comfortable around you and safe.
this because you are.
Can you please promise me that you'll work things out with Marcus and not go the other route?
Colleen, you know how corrupt this brother is. You know him hurt people. So why you even give a damn about what happened to him? I don't understand it.
I have something to tell you.
She feel lucky me in my church in a pastor. Come here tell us I'm gonna. No, pastor, I never go cuss nobody word. No, sir. But Father God said me to speak the truth and that me I do because I can't hold my mouth. He said speak the truth, speak it ever and cast it what it may. And would we in October now, sir? No, I don't know why she have a problem with me, pastor. I must truly identify so me can't sing. And then she bright too. She can't talk about me if you remember say Lucifer was the angel of music. But I wish I call me devil. Hey, I just got deep up and dice. No, pastor, me never did go curse. You can stay at church later. You know, easy, you know, pastor. Jim did like this. Did you like my dress? You're gone. Yes, pastor, I'll be at service. I may stay till it's finished.
Godmother.
Alright, pastor, me call you back later here. Yeah, man, and thanks again. Alright. Yeah. What is it? Stone, me no want to see no picture, me no want to see nothing.
It's a good prayer, Godmother. It is out of the 2 million. Are them that?
Stone on the chest. My chest, dog, my chest. Oh, God. I really see another picture there, dog. Stone, let me see it again. It is this dog.
And I'm still fighting, man. I did it.
Wait, Stone. Give me a minute.
Carl, I know you care about Tiffany, but you'll be helping her.
Uncle Marcus, I just don't want to seem like a switcher. I may have acted hastily when I called you.
You know that I've done all that I can for Tiffany, correct?
I know. And I know she acts for some time. But after all, she's my friend. She's my best friend.
Your best friend is out of control. She has left the comfort of her home and gone God knows where, with God knows who. She's not taking my calls and she's not taking her mother's call either. We are just worried.
Uncle Marcus, is it true that you created accounts with Aunt Michelle's name and Tiffany to launder money?
Did she tell you that?
Yes, but it was all over the news.
Carol, in my line of work, there's a lot of backstabbing and envy, and it makes it difficult to get the right things done. Politics can be a very dark and dangerous profession. And it's worse when you don't want to be someone's puppet.
With all due respect, Uncle Marcus, you have answered the question.
You know, that's what I always admired about you, though. You're observant and free thinking. The answer is no. The other party, they sabotage me. And it has caused my family to resent me up to this very day.
So, Uncle Marcus, have you tried explaining to them?
Many times. But the blackmail was so convincing and the damage was so deep. It was hard for me to fix it in the moment.
It was hard for me to believe when I saw it.
You know that's not me.
I know. You're kind and giving. I still remember what you did for my mother and my grandmother.
That was a very unfortunate circumstance. I saw the pain you were going through. I had to step in and assist.
I promised myself I wouldn't cry again.
You don't need to apologize, Carol. It takes time to heal.
Moi, il excuse-moi, comme give me now. From yesterday, me I call you. no look. Or what, Mel?
Not much my day here. It's goody. I'm gonna take my lunchtime now, here.
Alright, check in the baby. Still asleep for me, yeah?
Alright.
Put you up though. Did you have to get a place I want facelift? Them white beach chair there, I know they are beach. Say, I'm to tell you. What's road work in a full swing though. That's the election time, we expect. Them can't change up them style. No, uno for change up on the style. We don't realize that them always do. Come round, come nice, tune up and do the things them through them want the vote. And then when they get the vote them not fat back for uno. We, you know, only time when ink touch a finger, yeah? You know when penning flood out? Yeah, that's the only time.
The baby's still sleeping here, Miss Goody?
Alright then. Okay, make it one extra chair, extra cut with him there. Cushion. So goody. My carlton was the MP for all your son. So then this say. So what MP now?
Do you expect me to know that?
Well, because them say I'm brother get him in a politics and him was the MP around here and he's no longer here. So but I wonder if I'm brother run it now.
You plan for going to politics?
No? Why?
Through the one bully per question him you ask, so I for wonder.
Okay, it's alright. Are you still seeing the therapist?
Yes.
Good. Just let me know when there's another payment, alright?
I will. Uncle Marcus, I didn't believe when I saw those stuff in the media, you know.
Thank you. I really wish Tiffany was more like you.
She's just so stubborn at times. I can't believe she would give up everything for that boy.
She's seen a boy.
Yes.
Carol. In spite of what Tiffany thinks of me, I love and I care for her deeply. I just don't want to see her get hurt. Just tell me where she is.
Simone, she saved my life, you know.
I know that me did ask. Me ask you more than 2 times. Where you know that girl left from? I know you not answer me. But I come here for come catch your tongue down her throat.
Simone, the woman obsessed with me from she saved my life. I blackmail, she blackmailed me for a kiss.
So why make you never tell me about her? From me did ask you. I know you can't answer that, you know.
Because I never want to cause no problem between me. But afraid I never want to lose you again. I'm sorry, Simone. I just hope that all of this will go.
You know, if I tell you the truth, I not even trust you. But don't even think I can trust you again.
Like funny, you know. All of this happened because you and your friend them try to kill me. And now me I get punished for that.
Anyway, how your side?
Still it hurt me. I need it to come that tight.
Tomorrow I'm come. Alright.
Who you talk to?
Say not tell me.
That was why you park.
Up the road, cause through them I do the road work, them so I have to park up at the top of the road. They go for the wholesale, they come back.
Alright, later. But action, I can explain. It wasn't a real fight. It was a rehearsal. It was a rehearsal for a play that I'm in. It's called Pinky and Plummy. The girl that you saw with me, her name is Pinky and I am Plummy. And I was just rehearsing. Yeah. So when you're gonna come and look for me? You sure? Make sure you know. Father still is overseas? Okay. Excuse me, sir, can I help you?
GPS.
Hold on, JPS is here. So what you looking for, sir?
Just to check if the light will work, you know? Go upstairs and check, please.
Yes, sir. I'm sure. You sure you're gonna come and look for me?
Mike, no. Don't do it. Temptation. Do it, Mike. Do it.
So the privy council has accepted the case? Perfect. So this will give you enough time to build an airtight case now. Look here. You see how easy we go around Grace Connolly? You're the best lawyer money can buy, Tyrone. You have your ways, but... Alright, I'll talk to you. Yeah man, cool.
Angie, promise by next week to put it back. It's an investment for my friend.
Mike, you not have to give me the details of what you do with the money. But I just want to know if you use the company money for personal business.
I did hope to make back the money with interest and put everything back in the account.
You know more than anybody else that a partnership is built on trust. At the second time this money get delayed from reaching to the account, I mean I know nothing about it.
It won't happen again.
Everything alright with you, Mike? You owe anybody?
Me owe? No man. Like I say, it's an investment me not deal with.
You say you had some information for me.
You're not even a good host. You didn't even ask me if I wanted something to drink.
Would you like something to drink?
No.
So what information do you have for me? Do you have some information for me or not?
What would you offer to the person that knows your brother's whereabouts?
You know where Carlton is?
I didn't say that. I simply asked you a question.
Are you here to play games, Maxine?
Okay. Let me cut to the chase. Marcus, jeez. I've always wanted to try this tea. I hear it's really good. Marcus?
Investment. Alright, cool. How is your wife? What's your name again?
Stephanie. She's okay, you know.
She knows that we're in business together, right?
Not really.
Why? She still think me and you did involved from college, not you?
Angie, you know how Steph jealous and stay. She feel like me there with everybody.
No, Mike. Not everybody. Not everybody. Just me. Me was always the problem. And you still never make it no easier. And you still a do it.
Why you say that?
Why you not tell her so we're business partners?
Can't deal with the bag of explanation.
That's your business still. As long as she not step to me, I'm good.
So camouflage and whisper the back on the job?
Yeah. Please check them location tomorrow and take a report.
Okay. Cool. Talk tomorrow.
Mike, you sure everything alright with you?
Positive. Yeah.
Brother, you have the money?
I know. The real reason behind these babies dying at the hospital.
What? That's the information you have for me? This must be a joke. We have that situation under control.
Oh no, you don't. Your minister has been lying to you about the real reason behind the babies dying. And I'm afraid if the media houses or the worldwide press should get a hold of this, it will not end well for you.
And how would the worldwide media get this information, Maxine?
Well, Marcus Wallace, for the past 2 days, my phone has been loaded with messages from different media houses wanting to interview who they consider to be the most credible doctor about the situation.
What are you doing, Maxine?
Oh, I haven't done it yet. But whether I do or don't, that is entirely up to you.
Do what, Maxine Grant?
You see, Marcus, to be a great leader, we sometimes have to make unpopular decisions for the ultimate good of the administration. Now, people have been calling for the resignation of your present health minister with good reason, because between you and I, he's been terrible.
And you think he can do a better job, right?
Well, I couldn't do any worse. This.
You sure you want to play this game, Maxine?
Oh, I've been playing. I just won't be playing by your rules anymore.
You know you're going down a very dangerous road, Maxine.
Marcus, you of all persons know how much I love danger. I mean, the adrenaline rush that it gives me is so... sexy. Now, let's look at what I have, shall we? Some time ago, somebody would have sent me a very nice message.
Kyle, he does not live to testify against my brother. Pull the plug, Dr. Grant.
Oh, and then there's this.
And what is that?
That, my friend, is a map of the exact location where the body of Dr. Cox is. Oh, also that the arrest of Carlton was not a legitimate one. So he's actually a free man. I wonder if he knew this, what would he say? I mean, I could tell him, but I don't know where he is. Or do I? What if he knew, Minister?
And what if you never leave here?
Priceless, but a little on the desperate side. Marcus, if I never leave here, then all your dirty little secrets will get to the major media houses. Good boy. Tell you what you'll do. You will have your minister resign. Then you will announce my appointment to the new position. Then you and I can live happily ever after. Oh, Marcus? One more thing. Now you and I are even.
really worried. Tiffany.
Mommy, I'm okay. I just need a little time to myself. I'm tired of that man trying to control me.
Yes, but why don't you just stay at Cara's? At least I know I can come and see you regular.
Because you know that's the first place he's going to check.
Tiffany, where are you? And who are you with? Tiffany! Listen, you know we don't lie to each other. Is it a boy?
Yes, ma'am.
Baby, are you sure you're safe with him? And how long has this been going on?
6 months. I met him on the internet.
Tiffany, I am not comfortable with this. You need to come home. I don't know this boy and I don't even care about
You don't need to know who is mom. I do. Mom, I'm sorry. But you just sounded like the minister. I mean, I know we have an open relationship and I always tell you the truth. I'll tell you all about the guy, okay?
I'm sorry. I shouldn't sound like I'm demanding anything. That's not my intention.
I know, Mommy.
I just want to know that you're okay, Tiffany, that's all.
I am.
I hate this man for making you have to stay away from home.
You know, Mommy, somebody has to stand up to him, you know?
You're right. Do you know what I love about you the most?
Besides how beautiful I am and my outstanding personality.
Which you inherit from me, of course. No. It's your bravery and your strength, Tiffany.
Which I got from
me. I think you know that already. So here's the $1 million question. Are you,
sexually active?
Yes.
Yes, to me, and I'm being safe.
When am I going to meet this young man? He is a young man, right?
Yes, he is, Mom. You'll meet him very soon, I promise.
Alright. Okay. I miss you.
I miss you too. I'll call you tomorrow.
Please do. Or I'm gonna blow up your phone. Bye.
Bye. Love you.
Love you.
I believe in your soul. I know we need each other. I know our love is strong. Anyway, it feels like coming home. It feels like coming home.
We're just scared the baby coming from my cousin. They'll spend the night. They make sure keep the baby for some days. I know nothing, Carlton. I know nothing. We just want to make sure that the baby's safe. Because with all of this we are going and them a trail me, we just want to make sure that the baby's safe. Yeah, man. Yeah. When I see him, I talk to you. Alright. Bubbles, I want to talk to you about something very urgent. Tomorrow? Yeah, because this can't talk over phone. Alright.
Sometimes I forget how beautiful the nights are.
It's the simple things in life that really matter.
This view is breathtaking.
But I mean, you live in Beverly Hills. This is a view you should see every night.
I don't notice the view from a house anymore. It's a sad reality, but when I get home, I just take a shower and go straight to bed.
Well, that's a good place to be as well.
Well, it would be nicer if it was with somebody that I care about.
Is it really that bad with your husband?
Well, it's not bad, but it's not good either.
I can relate.
Seems like we have a lot of things in common in that arena, eh?
Yes, we do.
I can't understand why a woman would neglect her man though. I mean, woman likes to take care of the man, so.
Well, in all fairness, I guess she does take care of me, but maybe she just doesn't have the time. I mean, she is an entrepreneur.
That's cute.
What is?
I don't know, you trying to find an excuse for shortcomings?
What? That's what it sounds like?
Aaron, sweetheart, I run a radio station and a rental company, and I still find the time to go home and make dinner for my man, even though I know that he's not going to be home until 10, 11 o'clock.
So I guess she has no excuses then, right?
Exactly.
So, would you like to take care of me?
Would you let me? Okay then.
Susie, which avenue again? Oh, Garden Road. At the wrong avenue. Why am I always get your house mixed up, man? You don't know why I'm always do that.
How may I help you?
How you doing?
I'm good.
I was going to ask you if you see anybody else in here. But something tell me, you know, it's alright.
I'm here alone.
You sure of that?
Yes, I am here alone.
Seem like you see some things when you feel like see some things, eh?
Who are you, sir? And why are you here?
So, you never see nobody. You say you're blind. You don't see. I always wonder when people say them blind. I always have a set of people again, you know? Them see everything. Them hear everything. But you don't know nothing. Alright then. Lucky to them, I never planned to kill nobody blind.
My girl, look from when you go down and I go 2 times you call me.
Lord, nobody cuss me, Sandy. I do work have me away.
Not a work. Actually, I don't come and make up you forget about your friend.
That is a totally different story, my love. The man say him need a break.
You serious? Him find other woman.
Him say nothing like that. But I feel like him have somebody else.
So you not investigate?
No, sir. You can't bother with that, Sandy. Him my own big man. Me not force nobody to stay with me.
You're lucky. I not force him, but would have to know if I see somebody else.
What would that go do?
It would have made me feel good when I done broke her ass.
You not change, you know? You don't change.
No change. I still paper money. By the way, you get a call from Mr. Mullins?
Yes, sir. Him say more meet with me for discuss something.
Yeah, some top secret project.
Sandy, you think him gonna ask me for it?
Andrew, I not go back down and say, you know, my life different now. I not take that time.
Hold on there, Sandy.
Sandy, let me call you back here.